Today, you're going to learn how to calculate US dividend tax using ChatGPT as your personal tax assistant. I'll walk you through the prompts you can copy and paste so you understand the difference between qualified and ordinary dividends, how tax rates apply, and how to estimate your tax bill. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, investors, retirees, side hustlers, and anyone earning dividends from US or international companies. Before you begin, gather your dividend statements for the year. This includes payouts from stocks, ETFs, index funds, mutual funds, and any dividends shown on Form 109-DIV. If you're not sure which dividends are taxable or which are qualified, the first prompt will guide you. Once you're ready, start with this prompt. Create a beginner-friendly checklist of what I need to calculate US dividend tax, including forms, dividend types, and tax rates. This gives you a clear overview of everything required before starting the calculation. Next, personalize the process using this prompt. Help me calculate my US dividend tax. Ask me questions about my dividend income, tax bracket, and whether my dividends are qualified or ordinary. Then show me a simple breakdown. After responding, you'll receive a clean summary showing total dividends, how each type is taxed, and your estimated tax owed. To clarify the tax rates further, use this prompt. Explain the difference between qualified and ordinary dividends in simple terms, and show me examples of how each one is taxed. This helps you understand why some dividends are taxed at lower rates. If you want to double-check your numbers, use this. Give me a short list of common mistakes people make when calculating US dividend tax so I can avoid them. Finally, stay organized with this follow-up habit prompt. Create a simple routine to track my dividends each month so next year's tax calculation is easier. And that's it. Calculating US dividend tax becomes much easier when you follow a clear structure and keep your documents organized throughout the year. Use these prompts, take your time, and always confirm tax details with the IRS if you're unsure. These steps work perfectly when used inside ChatGPT. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.